Morning, friends. We read Matthew 6, verse 6. But you, when you pray, go into your room, and when you have shut your door, pray to your Father who is in the secret place, and your Father who sees in secret will reward you openly. Please pray with me. Father, today I choose to enter into the secret place with you, away from noise, distraction, and the expectations of the world. Help me to find the stillness where my heart can meet yours. Teach me the beauty of private, intentional communion where I can pour out my heart, listen, and be renewed. Let this sacred space become a daily visit, shaping my thoughts, words, and actions. May the intimacy I cultivate with you in this place overflow into every part of my life, giving me strength, wisdom, and joy as I walk in your presence. Amen.